How to fit a metal Newel post cap. Before you begin, let's check. Does the cap fit the Newel post? Is the dry fit stable and secure? Are any alterations required for the Newel posts? Clean the top and sides of your Newel post with a dry, lint-free cloth to remove any dirt. Take your cap and apply Clearfix adhesive to the underside. Ensure that enough glue has been applied for a secure fixing. Place your cap back onto the Newel post. Wipe away any excess glue. Then apply a strip of masking tape over the top of the cap to hold it in place whilst the glue dries. Carefully remove the masking tape and your cap should now be secure.